In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Search Console to Looker Studio, formerly known as Google Data Studio. Now, before we dive into the actual process, let's make sure you have everything you need to get started. First and foremost, you'll need a Google account that has view access to the Search Console property, which of course is just a fancy way of saying the website you want to work with. It's important to note that this site should already be verified in Search Console to ensure things go smoothly as we progress. Alright, with those prerequisites squared away, let's move into the step-by-step process to connect Search Console to Looker Studio. The first thing you'll want to do is sign in to Looker Studio. Once you're on the home page, you'll see an option labeled Create. Go ahead, click on that, and then select Data Source. This is where the magic starts to happen. As you scroll through the list of available connectors, keep an eye out for the one called Search Console. Click on it. At this point, Looker Studio may prompt you to authorize access to your Search Console data. Simply click Authorize to grant Looker Studio the necessary permissions. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, the software does all the heavy lifting for you. Next up is the connector setup, where you'll make a few selections. This is an important step, so take your time here. Begin by choosing the correct site property from the drop-down menu, which corresponds to the website you're working with. Once you've done that, you'll need to decide which table you'd like to use. You can select options like site impressions or URL impressions, depending on your data needs or analysis objectives. Moving forward, you'll also want to pick the search type. Here, you have a variety of options: web, image, video, news, and so forth. Each of these provides a different lens through which you can view your site's data, so choose the one that aligns with your analytic goals. After you've made these selections, it's time to click Connect. And just like that, you've linked your Search Console data to Looker Studio. So what can you do now? Well, at this stage, you have the choice to either create a new report or add this newly created data source to an existing report. This flexibility enables you to tailor your data reporting and presentation to fit your needs best. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to connecting Google Search Console to Looker Studio. With this setup, you'll be well on your way to visualizing your website's performance data effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!